Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the main wirings that you might need if you're doing an installation on a radio, an alarm system, or aftermarket lights on a 2021 Hyundai Elantra. So we're going to break it down into sections. Let's start with the radio installation. For the power, you're going to find it behind the radio on a gray plug. It's going to be red and orange. Ground is going to be black. Radio ignition, blue or brown. Radio illumination is going to be blue. Parking lights, gray for dimmer. Factory amp turn on. Left front speaker, lavender blue, lavender red. Right front speaker, lavender green, lavender orange. Left rear speaker, lavender yellow, lavender black. Right rear speaker, lavender brown, lavender white. Left front speaker with amp, yellow black. It's going to be on the amplifier in the trunk right side on a green plug. Then right front speaker with amp, green, orange. Left rear speaker, yellow, black. Right rear speaker with amp, red, blue. Center channel with amp, lavender, red, lavender, black. Subwoofer with amp, brown, white. Rearview camera, video, red, black. It's going to be behind the radio. Now, if you want to do a remote starter or a car alarm, you need 12 volts, which is going to be a red cable located on the junction block, that fuse block. That fuse box on a gray 51 pin plug. Second 12 volts is red also. It's going to be on the right of the dash fuse box. Ground, you can get it on the chassis. A starter kill is going to be red on the dash fuse box on a gray plug. Starter is going to be yellow. Ignition is going to be red. Accessory is going to be yellow. Second accessory is going to be green on the right dash fuse box. Ignition interrupt, pink, is going to be on a dash fuse box, a rear red plug. So if you need the PTS1, yellow, black, a start stop button switch. PTS2, yellow, orange, start stop button switch. Canbus, high, orange, on the block dash fuse junction, on a white 40 pin plug. Canbus low, blue. Canbus high 2, green. Canbus low 2, orange. Canbus high 3, brown. Canbus low 3, green. Canbus high 4, yellow. Canbus low 4, black. OBD bolt, 12 volts, red. That's going to be in the OBD data link connector. OBD ground, black, orange, or black. That one's going to be on a black 16 pin plug, pin number 4. Ignition, green, black, pin number 3. immo data, black or brown, orange. Brown or brown, orange. On the dash fuse box. Power lock, orange, on the driver kick panel on a white plug. Power unlock, yellow. It's going to be negative. driver kick panel on the white plug. Factory arm, factory disarm. You might need parking lights. Parking light is gonna be red, orange, left front, gray for right front. On a block dash fuse box on a gray plug. Parking lights 2, green, black, brown, black. Parking lights negative, blue. You might need a negative 5580 ohms resistor. Parking lights blue. Headlight wiper switch. Hazard blue, negative. On the block dash fuse box, rear red plug. Turn signal left, white or green. Left front, blue for left rear. On a gray pin on the fuse box. Turn signal right, white, black for front right, red for right rear. On a gray pin, same plug. Headlight brown or gray, headlight wiper switch. Auto light blue. You might need a negative 680 ohms resistor. Reverse light orange. Left front trigger on a fuse box. Black plug. Left front door trigger blue. Right front door trigger gray. Left rear door trigger orange. Right rear door trigger orange, black. Dome light yellow. Trunk hatch pin blue, orange. Hood pin blue. Trunk hatch release pink. Trunk tachometer yellow, orange. Passenger kick blue, pin plug. Pin number 4. Tachometer 2 green on the camshaft position sensor engine drive side. Black plug, pin number 3. And you also might need brake wire green on the brake switch. Parking brake green on the block dash fuse, negative. Horn trigger white, negative. White, black, negative. Horn switch clock spring. Horn trigger number 2 white, alternate location, right of dash fuse, blue 71 plug. Horn factory alarm white, negative on the fuse box. And that's all that you're going to be needing for any of this installation. But always remember to verify with a voltmeter before tapping any wires. Use fuses, solder, or proper connectors, and double check polarity. If this video helped you, please subscribe for more and share it with your friends. Thank you.